Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabzian. I am a graphic designer. Today we want to learn about negative space. First of all, we have to know a little bit about the definition of this term. Negative space is the blank or empty space that is left around an illustrated object and ultimately helps define it. In simple terms, it is unused space in a picture or a design. As you can see, we want to make a logo which we want to have a meaning, and we want to combine two shapes together or two illustrations together to make some meaning about our logo. The logo here name is Food Writer. So I collected some picture from the internet from Envato Elements websites, which is paid website, and also you can go to Unsplash and another free website, and you can collect your pictures. I have made a video about how we can research about our logo and how we can collect the data and how we can come to conclusion to make a logo. I will leave this link below. Here the term is food writer, which I collected here is the picture from here. I'm going to zoom a little to see better. Here as you can see the plate of the food with the fork, and some food is here, and another one also is food, and spoon. Here is a writer, which is coming to our mind is a paper or our pencil, or sometimes in old fashioned is some machine for typing or person who is typing that. And here also is a writer with some paper or machine and some pencil. Here as well you can see that which kind of imagination before making a logo you can think about it. After understanding the meaning of negative space and doing a little bit search about the term and coming to some idea, you can do some sketch also, or you can simply go to Illustrator, and if you are having any idea you can start to draw this illustration. I'm going to open one new document. I'm giving name. I'm going to make some rectangle here. I don't need any stroke here. With the help of direct selection tool, it's better to use arrow key. I'm doing 15 times from the left to right. And this one also. It is more precise. Maybe two more. Duplicating it with the help of Alt key. Going here 180, rotate. Align in center. It's okay, and now I'm going to select it with the help of a curvature tool. I'm going to make some curve here from the center. Here as well. With the help of arrow key, I'm bringing a little bit down and here a little up. Now I'm going to make a rectangle like this. Bringing a little bit ahead to zoom better. I want to make like something like a spoon here. Now I'm making one ellipse here. We can make it a little bit here sharper. This is direct selection tool. And with the help of shift, choose both of them. With the help of arrow key, bring it a little bit down. It looks good. Here a little wider is better. To look like a spoon. Center them. Here we can use a shape builder to combine them, or you can use the pathfinder and make unite. It's up to you. But is my favorite shape builder tool, and I'm changing this color to white and bring it here. We can make Control Y to see that if they are good. Align is here. Here. We can see what is the problem here with the help of direct selection tool. Can fix it. Again, Control Y and Move tool, select both and unite. Making group of them. Now is better. Making it smaller. And now we can make it smaller or taller, is up to us. And here also I think a little down. We can see the pen here as a writer who is going to write about the food. We can make this bigger or smaller to see how it will look. Smaller, I think, is better. Yes, I think it's better now. And now we are going here to write food writer. We are going to change I have to change it because I need some kind of maybe thin. I'm holding down the Alt key and making this gap less. We're going to see which kind of Control Y to see everything better. Control Y again. 0. As you can see, we have made this logo with the help of very simple shape. It needs some modification. We have to check out many places. After this video, I'm going to do this modification. I don't want this video be so long, but the intention of this lecture was to show how we can make the logo with the help of negative space, how we can use the unused space to represent something different. We can call negative space also conceptual definition of illustration. When you are making one illustration in Illustrator, especially in logo design, it can be some conceptual look, and whoever is looking at this is not just seeing the pen or simply a spoon. And the text also is always helping to understand better the meaning of this logo design. I wish that you learned something from this video and you came to know what is the negative space, and you're going to use this kind of thinking or mindset in your project. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell button for being informed about new video. And thank you so much for watching, and see you in next time. Bye.